this video, we are just going to cover one of the main topic and important topic for O-level students in O-level addition mathematics. The name of the topic is binomial expansion. Here I have the last question of exercise 14.2 in your O-level admits book. In this question, it is clearly written that in the expansion of 1 plus x into a minus bx the whole power 12, where the a value is not 0, the coefficient of x8 is 0, the coefficient of x to the power 8 is 0. We have to just find in simplest form the ratio of a to the b. Now we have the formula of t r plus 1 equals to ncr into a n minus r into br. We have just noticed that for every term of f, for every r, we have just one additional term for that. Let's suppose in this expansion of this 12 power, we have 13 terms inside a minus bx because it is always r plus 1. Now, in this question, we have to find the simplest ratio of a divided by b, or you can say that a to the b. For this, it is the hint which is given to us is that the power of the x8 is 0. Sorry, the coefficient of x8 is 0. It means we have to just find the coefficients of x to the power 8. Now, in the expansion of this, it is clearly written there. So you can say that in starting this question, you can see that when this 1 plus x is multiplied with this a minus bx to the power 12, it has so many long expansion in this. But only the hint of x to the power 8 is given, so we have to just focus to the x to the power 8. So if you just open that and you just see that it is multiplying, so it would be like there would be two possible options for x to the power 8. You just have to notice that when 1 multiplies with anything, it is same, or when x multiply with anything, the 1 power increases. So when in the expansion, you have to write 1 plus x as it is here, and this, and you have to just write the sum part of this expansion, So it would be basically 12c7. It would be, and you have just notice that a is basically the first position, so it is a to the power 4 and minus bx to the power 7. And you have just one more thing is that one more, you can write this 12c8 a to the power 4 and minus bx to the power 8. Now I have just not fully expanded this bracket, but I have just written the sum portion or sum expansion. The only reason behind this is that because the hint of x to the power 8 is given. Now we have just noticed, we have to just consider that how can we get x to the power 8 coefficients. When we multiply this one with this whole value 12c8 8 to the power 4 and minus x to the power 8, so we were just getting x to the power 8, and when we are just multiplying this x with this, so we are just getting x to the power 8 coefficients. So we have to just multiply and look what we get. Now it would be 12c7. When we multiply one this one, so it would be 12c8 a to the power 4 and minus bx to the power 8 means that this minus would be finished, it would be plus, because whenever there is positive power, the minus sign turns into positive, so it would be bx to the power 8. Now this value is written clearly here, and we have another value which is when x multiplied with this, so it would be minus. Why minus? Because this is plus, and when there is odd power, the minus sign don't disappears. So it would be 12c7 a to the power 5 and minus b to the power 7. Here I can also remove this x because because we have already got the power x8. So we are just solving for x8. So we have to just notice that the sum of these two values should be 0, because it is written that x to the power 8 coefficient is 0. So we have to just equal it to the 0. Now to solve this question, we have just calculating our hand, and it would be 12c8. It would be 495. It would be 495 a to the power 4 and b to the power 8 minus, and it would be 12c7 792 a to the power 5 and b to the power 7 equal to 0. We have taken this minus to the common here. Now we have these two values, and we have just noticed that we have to find the ratio of a toward the b. Now in the third step, you can see this when you are just going to take the common a and b, so you would be getting so our answer would be 495 b minus 792 a equal to 0. Basically, we have just got these two things, a to the power 4 and b to the power 7. We have just taken this common, and this coefficient is basically equal to 0. So you can just get it to the 0, and we have just two things here. The one thing is basically like this. We can just remove the first step. So the value is basically like this: 495 b minus 792 a equal to 0. Now you have to just got that we have to find the ratio of a to the b, so you have to just take this over there and just divide this by. So it would be, the value of this would be so simply dividing would be a ratio to the b equals to 495 divided by 792. So our answer is 5:8. So this is our answer, and that's it from this question.